What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're unboxing a bunch of shit we got this week. RJ, Aika, and Dex visited our shop a while ago. Awesome. Siguro one of the best examples we can give is there was this dude who bought a piece na 120 pesos lang yung nakuha sa ukay. Tapos he sold it to and that's RJT and Aika Yamaguchi. They sold us a bunch of their items and it's part of our LTU this week. We had the pleasure of, taking a few shots of them. They were cool with it.
So, first up is our Tommy X Kith sweatshirt. You can see here, embroidered siya. Embroidered everything.
Ganda so.
Sobrang good quality. You should feel it in person.
Ano ba to?
Walang loose threads. Basta walang mintis.
Very heavy quality, very heavy yung material niya. It's not really a Philippines piece, pero if
kaya
you
naman sa
you go
malling.
Oh yeah, for malling definitely.
Pero ang ganda.
Check out the tags. It says Tommy here. Tas may Kith siya dyan. And then, yeah, size medium. It fits like large or an XL.
US
sizing.
Tapos yung retail niya is $150. So, yung equivalent niya is somewhat around 8K plus.
8K, yeah.
Damn, that's a steep price, pero for the quality it has, very justified.
Retail pa lang yun, wala pa.
Wala pa yung resale.
What
Yeah.
do you guys think? I think it's worth the money.
No.
You're gonna pay for this.
Oh naman, definitely. Pero it's not really a piece, the everyday person can afford.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
like, if you're heavily invested into Kith, into Tommy, ganun.
Technically, it's a good piece for the money.
No, definitely. Oh,
Yeah,
definitely.
For sure. Para lang talaga, parang sa specific customer.
Oh, yeah. Moving on, we also we got the whole set. We got a couple pieces from their collaboration.
Ito din, yung kit. Ito ang ganda. Tapos meron dito sa top. Word na Tommy sa gilid. Sa sleeve niya. Ito, yung quarter zip yung tawag dito sa piece na to. Sobrang ganda ng quality. Tapos meron sa tags niya, meron yung embossed ba yun? Hindi. Ano tawag doon?
Engraved.
Engraved. Wala namang nakalagay pero yung logo ng flag ng Tommy.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's a unique zipper. You can really sense the vibe, 90s vibe.
Ganda
Is it 90s? I'm getting heavy 90s.
The colors they used, very toned down. Yung pagka-red, yung pagka-green, yung pagka-blue. So, in totality, it works very well. It has a lot of colors, but it's not
Hindi
really
siya
a
loud.
popping piece.
Oh, hindi siya loud, pero at the same time, it's loud.
Very subtle.
Subtle loud.
fire.
Subtle loud.
Tapos panoorin nyo rin yung interview niya kay ni Tommy ko.
And this touch of gold, super nice.
Ano kaya to? Yung ano? Ang tawag din?
Gold-plated siya.
Probably. I don't know, man.
Yeah, another banger piece from the collection.
Basta solid lahat, as in super solid. Walang tapon sa collab. Moving on. So, we also got the cap. It's in beige. It has the same embroidery
It's a
as the
sweater.
sweater design. And it's a dad cap, you can see that. It's a strap-on. What material is this? Leather, no?
It's like a Durabox.
Oh. So, you got Durabox leather. I don't know what the fuck Durabox
Ano
is.
ba yung Durabox? Please explain, bro.
It's like a heavier grade na nubuck. Basta, it's still leather.
Ano
Okay.
yung new box?
Basta it's leather. Alright, so, a leather... What?
Hindi, sabi niya new box.
It's a leather variant.
Yeah.
Basta
So,
leather strap back siya.
Leather strap back. And, as you can see, fine attention to detail.
Oh.
The
Ganda.
mismong strap has the...
Logo din.
Oh, the logo. Kith. It says Kith. And it has the same design as the design on the cap.
Ito, mas affordable to siguro.
Retail.
So retail is $55. How much
So,
is, how much
around
is that?
3K plus.
3K.
So, it's just okay na din. Bro.
The next up is the Tommy X Kith Polo. Okay, so
Damn.
the whole
Ganda.
polo itself is like the logo.
Ito
ng
talaga,
Tommy.
sure na very... Kahit sa ukay, ganyan din yung mga nahanap na very sought out na pieces talaga, di ba?
Yung Tommy na
Oh,
Tommy.
ganitong
So
design.
classic colors, navy, red, and white. Here may spell out siya ng Tommy,
Tapos-
tapos dito Kith.
Sobrang ganda nito.
Fire piece. Retails for 110.
So
That's
around
around
5K or 5 to 6K.
a little above 5K.
Uh,
Let's say.
large.
Yeah, size large. Again, US sizing. So malaki yung fit niya. Maybe an XL. What do you guys think?
Ganda sobra.
Pang mga preppy to na dudes who are into streetwear, who want to transition into
Somewhat.
less streetwear.
Part of streetwear pa rin, pero...
Oh, hindi,
parang-
exactly, oo. It's a hybrid. Kasi,
I feel like for a hype beast to wear this, it would take like a special occasion. Like you're wearing wallabies, some khaki pants, then this one.
oh,
So parang preppy siya, pero still within the realm of like streetwear pa rin.
yeah, oo. Like, kunwari may occasion, tapos kailangan niya mag-dress ng
Somewhat
casual, pero hindi
Hindi sneakers.
streetwear.
Oo.
Hindi sneakers type event.
Ganon
I get
siya.
it.
So, yeah.
Solid.
That's what it's for, people. Don't let other people tell you otherwise. Yeah, full PK material, it's solid. Next!
Bale, ito, yung mga Supreme items namin na cup. Ito, new season to eh, for fall-winter 2018. Nakalimutan ko kung anong week. 4th to 5th ata.
Pero recent lang to, no?
Pero recent lang. Ito naman, matagal na itong release ng Maglite na Supreme. Ang ganda sobra, oh. Pag kasi sinilawan ka nito. Tangina, bro! Paano pag ganito yung police? Paano pag ganito yung police, no? Hype piece yung police, bro. Tapos yung kamay, yung ganyan, nagsusearch-search sila sa mga hype.
Sir, can you taas your kamay?
No, yeah, ako ganyan tayo na.
Ako, kung nakita ko yung police, wala siyang baril, pero may ganyan siya. Tatakot pa rin ako.
Pwede mo tayong weapon to eh, panghampas sa
Palo
ulo.
yun. Sobrang bigat.
Bigat, sobrang bigat, bro.
Oh shit, yeah, it is.
Pero ito solid piece.
Gawa na tayo ng
Solid
memes.
piece. Tangina, ngayon lang ako nakakita na ganito yung yung condition nito. Sobrang parang
Pristine.
kaka-release.
What year is
to.
it from?
Nakalimutan ko, hindi ko na eh. Pero early, mga 2010 siguro or something.
Okay.
Hindi ako sure ah.
Okay.
After lights, please.
Ito sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, up next, we have the Supreme anatomy models. So, there's two anatomy models. One is of the woman torso, and the other is of the male. Or like, this is more of the inner organs eh, no? Tapos ito, anatomy of a woman.
Tapos ito may sa likod kung may mga instructions sila kung paano magagawin siya. So, bale, ito
So,
yung
the-
parang anatomy ng paano gumawa ng hypebeast na anak mo.
So smart naman ako.
Diba? Kasi ito, utak supreme siya. So, bale yan yung utak ng hypebeast.
So, nag-conceive siya.
Tapos,
Ito,
yung conception nila, ito yung lumabas.
yung offspring niya.
Yung offspring
Hype din.
Hypebeast din. Pakita mo yung sa chan, bro.
Ayan yung chan niya.
Ito yung chan ng,
Yung Supreme.
ito yung magiging, Supreme Overlord pag na-born na siya.
Pero ako, I really appreciate Supreme putting out pieces like this na parang educational. It taps the nerd in me. Or like, the person who wants to learn in me. Parang maganda na very cross-platform sila na it's not really relating to anything Supreme. Pero it's so, out of pocket na it doesn't make sense and it makes sense. Parang they're using their platform or like they have always used their platform to be political and or to be educational. This is just an outright way of showing it. Sobrang solid.
Solid.
So as you can see, this one has 36 parts and this one has 41 parts.
Kasi, di ba sa Bible, bro, yung ribs ng...
Bro!
Di ba kinuha yung ribs sa Bible? Bro! Tama naman ako ah. Bakit? Mali ba ako?
Sa
Mali ba
Bible,
ako?
definitely.
Kasi kaya mas madaming parts yung babae, bro. Religious Christian channel dito. So next namin would be medyo halo na eh. So Thermomag Mastermind Collab. Pero ito muna yung unahin natin. Bale, Travis Scott. Ito, nakikita nyo ito sa parang pre-order nung online. Nag-post. Pero iba to. Bale yun yung, ano ba yung tawag doon? Bayat thread ba? Ito yung product na yun. Bale yun, ito, pinagkaiba nito is release to sa New York. Bale, 500 pieces lang yung ginawa. Bale ito, pinagkaiba nito is, instead na naka J4 si, na Cactus Jack si Travis Scott, ito nakasuot siya ng Jordan 1 Off-White. Bale, yung nag-design nito is si Virgil Abloh. Tapos, 500 pieces lang ginawa nito. Sobrang, okay lang. I mean,
The subtlety is the art. Ganun.
Parang
Parang ganun yung ano yan. Diba?
Pero sa resale price niya, parang hindi ako convinced na yung
Magkano ba resale niya?
nasa 50.
50,000?
15 to 20.
15 to 20,000.
So, hindi ako convinced na you have to pay like ganung price para makuha lang ganito. Kasi yung quality is ano talaga yun. Parang
It's well done.
well done.
Definitely, it's well done.
Yeah. Pero siguro mostly sa design, siguro pag parang collectible din kasi ito eh.
And tsaka if you imagine, if there's only 500 of it in the world, yun. Solid.
Ang ganda sa ito, kita mo yung DPI sa likod. Naka-Jordan 1 siya.
May numbering ba yan? Like 1 of 500?
Wala eh.
Wala.
Pero ikaw, bibili mo ba kung may pera?
There's a Nilino.
If I were ball and average, I would. I like small, unique things like that. Na parang, oh shit, 500 lang yan. Tapos, yung only difference niya, naka-Jordan 1 siya. Those are small differences. Or like small, parang Easter egg-like differences that I enjoy.
But I feel like people would go for that pieces, like yung may-ari ng Jordan 1s yun.
Oh.
And for me, sobrang, it's kinda tacky. Like, matchy-matchy ka with everything.
Oh, yeah.
Like, for a collector's piece, okay siya. Pero personally, I wouldn't spend on that
To rock.
shirt for that much. Yeah,
Okay,
to rock.
okay.
Pakita mo muna yung box kasi ako nila. Yan.
Alright, next up, we have the thermo mug of Mastermind.
Bale, raffle sila to. Hindi
Hindi to naging available.
Hindi to naging available. Parang raffle mga winners ng sa raffle.
Damn! That was like, was this given for free or?
No, hindi had to pay for it.
Okay. Pero solid. So, raffle winner. Let's unbox it.
Pakita mo dito sa baba. Yan. Snowlog, no?
Oh!
Oh,
that's sleek as fuck.
So, dalawa yung colors nito is silver and gold. Pero gold lang yung kinuha natin. Kasi you're baller as fuck, bro.
What? Okay. Damn.
Pakita mo yun. Ito, bro. Hindi, wala. Wala lang. Normal lang yun. Wala namang something.
Pero sobrang ganda.
Ganda nga sobra. So, bale, since 2000 pa yung thermo mag, bro. Kasi nakasulat dito. Pero ang ganda talaga.
Quality.
Quality. Definitely. Next.
Ganda ng color combo. So, jet black. Tapos yung details niya gold.
Nagpo-pop talaga.
Nagpo-pop talaga.
Ayun na, pagpunta ko ng Starbucks na, bro.
Star.
Punta ka sa Starbucks, tapos ganyan yung cup mo, bro. Tangin na, save ka pa na sa magiging environmentalist ka na, bro. Slash hype beast, drinking motherfucking coffee, bro. Tangin na.
Something inside. Or
And
I'm guessing this
instructions.
is like instructions.
Or care manuals.
Care manuals.
Parang ang onti lang daw pagka nilagyan
Konti
mo
lang
yun.
talaga siya.
Well,
Parang isang lagok mo lang.
Pero imagine the cloud, bro.
But still, like,
Wow. Clown.
ang ganda ng post.
Parang dyan mo lagay yung bro, parang cloud force field.
Stop!
Yeah, what the fuck?
Bro.
Fuck that!
Ganda.
So these are the stuff we got from RJ and Aika.
Bale ito, Kappa Italia, bro. Ganda ng kulay. Ganda rin ang design.
Itong Italia thing, this ruins it. Yung for me
Para sa
personally.
ito, lang.
Itong Italia lang. If it were just this, that was plain gradient, I'd wear it like that.
And I like this, bro.
Purple's
It's a hard
an
color.
uso color right now.
Uso,
Bro,
very
Uso color.
Maganda yung embroidery niya sa likod.
Yung ito.
We also got this reversible Peanuts jacket.
Snoopy yan, bro.
Oo nga. Snoopy is from Peanuts.
Yeah, bro. Gusto ko na maging specific, bro.
Tapos merong it has a detachable hood. And it is also reversible.
Merong side sa likod. Yan.
Wow.
Tanan!
Okay, here we have the Coq Sportif na quarter zip.
Oh, the cock.
Fleece. Very vibrant red.
It's a quarter zip.
It's quarter zip. Embroidered details here sa may tummy area. Tapos yung color niya black siya.
You don't say. No shit,
No shit, Sherlock.
It's Captain Obvious.
Tapos sa likod, parehas lang din,
Cock.
pero mas maliit.
CO.
Yeah. Pretty much it. Simple piece. This piece naman is
We got
pretty
another.
much almost the same as the last one. Pero this is by Reebok naman. Quarter zip din siya. All red. Dito sa may sweat thingy here, you can see the
I like this.
Reebok logo.
Quarter zips are so underrated though.
Yeah, they're so underrated.
Nobody wears quarter zips.
Meron.
Hindi,
Wala
sobrang
masyado.
dalang.
Dito, wala.
Oo nga, sobrang dalang.
Kasi most quarter zips parang fleasy.
Oo,
Oh,
and it's hard to wear.
Yeah, it's hard to wear.
Pag mall, pag nagmo-mall ka
Sa likod,
wala.
Blank design.
Plain lang.
This is a
Tapos-
good essential piece.
you know, a jacket's good when they have these things here, adjustable drawstrings. Kasi most vintage pieces, they're very loose sa area na
Sa
to.
hem area.
Sa hem area. So what this does is, if you adjust it, you can make it tighter. So it fits better on your body.
And like, you know, to your comfortability.
Yeah.
Ito naman.
It's a vest.
It's the best.
It's by Kappa.
We got another Kappa. I love Kappa's logo. Love it.
Alam mo ba may K-pop pa?
Yeah,
K-pop
oo.
sports. Sabi ko, akala ko bootleg. Pero maganda siya. Pwede ba maging reversible to?
No, probably not.
Kala ko X-large siya na collab. Hindi pa
This size lang.
Hindi pala siya
Tapos may
reversible.
red stripe siya running here
Nandito din yung logo.
across the jacket.
They have great details though. Inside pockets, sobrang solid. I love it when, you know, items have inside pockets. So that's our latest pickup.
For the
Third week.
Third week na.
third.
Third week October, LPU. Drop by the shop, buy, sell, trade, anything here. You can also pre-order. Just message our page,
Instagram namin na Season Pass PH.
Facebook page, fb.com/seasonpassph. Sabi mo, drop by our shop, 51 Magiting.
Drop by our shop, 51 Magiting.
Sobrang
Please do
ganda.
that. We're very friendly here.
Pwede rin yung Waze 51.
Waze nyo rin din.
Waze your
Yeah,
season
yeah.
pass.
Waze nyo rin.
So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for the continued support, and we hope to do this more often.